Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you guys the softest, most cozy sweater you will ever put on. This is amazing. This is from PrettyGuide, and I absolutely love this sweater. I love this chunky, oversized feel to it. It's got this beautiful knit, and every stitch is just perfect. I chose the color block with the white and the green and the navy, and I think it looks really cute, but it does come in a lot of other colors as well. So it has these kind of batwing style, and so you feel like you are just wearing a nice, soft, cozy blanket. This is so comforting to wear, and I think it's gonna be perfect for fall nights outside by a fire. It definitely has some room to layer, although you really won't need to because it's super warm. It's gonna keep you nice and toasty all throughout the fall and winter, and this nice cowl neck is gonna come up and also keep you warm up there as well. You can kind of turn this neck down if you want to roll it a little bit and get a different look, and I think that looks really cute as well. I love this sweater with a pair of jeans. It would look super cute with leggings as well. Definitely would look great with a pair of nice tall boots, and I think you could style this sweater in a lot of different ways. So I loved these ribbed knit sleeves, and there's also the ribbed knitting at the cuff of the hemline as well, and it just makes it have a really cute shape to it, and overall I think it is perfect. So if you are looking for a really cozy sweater for the next cold weather season, then I would absolutely recommend this one from PrettyGuide. I think it's adorable and I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.